नमस्कार दोस्तों, थर्मोडायनामिक्स 100 तक बता दिया हूँ। अब 101 से शुरू करता हूँ यूथ का। ये आरआरबी जेई एसएससी जेई के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। चलिए आइए देखते हैं। स्टेडी स्टेट हीट फ्लो इम्प्लाइज हीट फ्लो इम्प्लाइज करता है कांस्टेंट हीट फ्लो रेट पे। ठीक है, स्टेडी स्टेट हीट ट्रांसफर कैन बी a conduction, convection, radiation process, irrespective of the mode of the transfer in a steady state. Heat transfer the heat flow rate constant at any point in time. Next question. The ratio of a specific heat of a gas is 1.4 and the value of the specific heat at constant pressure is 0.7 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. What will be the difference between the specific heat at a constant pressure and a specific heat at constant volume in kilojoule per kg per Kelvin? देन हो जाएगा 0.2, गामा 1.4 हो जाएगा, Cp दिया हुआ 0.7 किलोजूल पर केजी पर केल्विन, Cp बाय Cv इक्वल टू गामा, देन यहाँ से Cv इक्वल टू हो जाएगा आपका Cp बाय Cv इक्वल टू 0.2. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Point function of the thermodynamic system describe the equilibrium state of the system, irrespective of the how the system arrived at that state. Which of the following is not the example of point function? Then इसमें हो जाएगा हीट क्या पाथ फंक्शन है. Point function, any quantity whose change is independent of the path is known as point function. प्रेशर, वॉल्यूम, टेम्परेचर, एनर्जी. पाथ फंक्शन क्या है? एनी पॉइंट द वैल्यू ऑफ विच डिपेंड ऑन द पाथ फॉलो ड्यूरिंग द चेंज ऑफ द स्टेट इज नॉन एज पाथ फंक्शन. हीट एंड वर्क. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ए फाइनाइट क्वांटिटी ऑफ मैटर और ए प्रिस्क्राइब्ड रीजन ऑफ स्पेस इज नॉन एज सिस्टम हो जाएगा. ए फाइनाइट क्वालिटी of the matter or prescribed region of a space is known as system. Next question. A process in which volume kept constant is known as isochloric. Isochloric process क्या है? The thermodynamic process in which volume is kept constant is also known as constant volume process or isometric process or isochloric process. Next question. A 0.5 kg of air with gas constant 0.287 kilojoule per kg per Kelvin is initially at 1 bar with 160 degree temperature compressed isothermally till the volume is reduced to the 0.14 meter cube. Determine the initial volume of the gas. Then हो जाए 0.613 meter cube. Ma इक्वल टू 0.5 kg, R इक्वल टू 0.287 किलोजूल पर kg पर केल्विन. P1 दिया हुआ है 1 बार, T1 दे दिया है 160 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, V2 दिया है V2 इक्वल टू V1 माइनस 1 0.14. आइडियल गैस इक्वेशन से P1 V1 इक्वल टू MRT1, V1 इक्वल टू MRT1 बाई P1. देन यहाँ से हो जाएगा V1 इक्वल टू 0.613 मीटर क्यूब. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. A closed thermodynamic system is defined as C number, the system in which only energy can transfer to the surrounding but mass remains constant. Closed system. A closed system, energy can transfer between the system and surrounding through the boundary. Mass transfer is not possible or mass is remains constant. Open system क्या है? Open system of a mass of and energy both crosses the boundary. Isolated system क्या है? In isolated system in which nor mass or neither energy cross the boundary. Next question. In thermodynamic, when the mass as well as energy are not allowed to the cross the boundary, such a system is known as isolated system. Next question. एयर इंटर ए 28 सेंटीमीटर डायमीटर pipe steadily at 200 किलो पास्कल एंड 20 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड विथ द वेलोसिटी ऑफ 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड. एयर इज हीटेड एज इट फॉलोज एंड लीव द पाइप एट 180 किलो पास्कल एंड 40 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. द मास फ्लो रेट ऑफ एयर इज टेकन a gas constant R for air 0.8 0.287 किलो जूल पर के जी पर केल्विन. देन हो जाएगा बी नंबर 0.7318 के जी पर सेकेंड. कैपिटल डी दिया हुआ है 28 सेंटीमीटर, पी आई दे दिया 200 किलो पास्कल. उसका टी दे दिया है, टी आई आपका 20 सेंटीमीटर, भी दिया है 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर, पीई दे दिया है 180 किलो पास्कल, टीई दिया है 40 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. एम पूछा जा रहा है, एम इक्वल टू रो इंटू वी. एम इक्वल टू रो को पी बाई आर टी लिखते हैं. अब वॉल्यूम एरिया इंटू वेलोसिटी. देन 200 बाई 0.287 इंटू 293 इंटू एरिया हो गया पाई बाई 4 इंटू 0.28 का स्क्वायर इंटू 5 वॉल्यूम. देन हो जाएगा एम इक्वल टू 0.732 के जी पर सेकेंड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ए गैस इज कंप्रेस्ड फ्रॉम V1 इक्वल टू 0.3 मीटर क्यूब, P1 इक्वल टू 1 बार, V2 इक्वल टू 0.12, P2 इक्वल टू 3 बार. Pressure and volume are related linearly during the process. For the gas, the work in the kilojoule क्या हो जाएगा, -40 किलोजूल. वर्क डन बराबर एरिया ऑफ ए बी सी प्लस एरिया ऑफ ए बी ई डी. देन हो जाएगा -40 किलोजूल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द थर्मोडायनेमिक स्टेट ऑफ ए सिंपल कंप्रेसिबल सिस्टम इज कंप्लीटली स्पेसिफाइड बाय बी नंबर 2 independent intensive properties. The state of a system is described by its property. The state of a simple compressible system is completely specified by two independent property. A system is called simple compressible system and is the absence of electrical, magnetic, gravitational motion and surface tension effect. Next question, constant volume specific heat of incompressible substance depend on the temperature only. For solid and liquid P equal to constant, Cp equal to Cv क्योंकि गामा इक्वल टू 1. The specific heat of a incompressible substance depend only on the temperature. Therefore, we write the differential change in the internal energy du equal to Cv into dt. फ्री एक्सपेंशन प्रोसेस क्या है, तो फ्री एक्सपेंशन प्रोसेस कांस्टेंट एंथैल्पी प्रोसेस है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ए प्रोसेस इन विच द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द वर्किंग सब्सटेंस रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट ड्यूरिंग द एक्सपेंशन और कंप्रेशन देन इज कॉल्ड हो जाएगा आइसोथर्मल प्रोसेस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, 1 calorie heat is defined as the amount of heat required to rise the temperature of the 1 gram pure water by 1 degree centigrade or 1 Kelvin. 1 calorie heat is the amount of heat required to rise the temperature of 1 gram of pure water by 1 degree centigrade or 1 Kelvin. Next question, the temperature on the Kelvin scale equal to the temperature on the Celsius scale plus 273.15. C माइनस 0 बाई 100 बराबर K माइनस 273.15 बटा 100. यहाँ से K इक्वल क्या आता है 273.15 प्लस C, वेयर K इज द टेम्परेचर इन द Kelvin एंड C इज द सेल्सियस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ट्रू रिगार्डिंग द डेफिनेशन ऑफ अ स्पेसिफिक हीट. स्पेसिफिक हीट के लिए क्या हो गया, द अमाउंट ऑफ हीट रिक्वायर्ड टू टेम्परेचर ऑफ यूनिट मास ऑफ द सब्सटेंस पर डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड। ए नंबर आंसर हो जाएगा। द अमाउंट ऑफ हीट रिक्वायर्ड टू राइज द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द यूनिट मास ऑफ ए सब्सटेंस बाय 1 डिग्री इज कॉल्ड स्पेसिफिक हीट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, ए थर्मल रिजर्वायर इज renowned for its infinite heat capacity. A thermal reservoir is a thermodynamic system with a finite heat capacity that the temperature of the reservoir does not change when a reasonable amount of the heat is added or extracted. Next question. Heat and work in the thermodynamically system are path function. Heat and work is not a thermodynamic property, therefore it is a path function, as its value depends upon the particular path followed during the process. Heat and work both are an inexact differential and is written by del Q and del W. Next question. The thermostat used in the window type air conditioner is mostly set at the temperature of 75 degree Fahrenheit. The thermostat used in the window type air conditioner is mostly set at the temperature between the 23.5 degree centigrade मतलब 74.3 फ़ारेनहाइट एंड 78 डिग्री इन द समर। ठीक है। इन if setting the temperature to 24 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड मतलब 75.2 फ़ारेनहाइट then save the electricity and the provide good comfort, so option A is correct. Next question. Which of the following instrument is employed to record the small amount of the current with the high frequency? ये है थर्मोकपल। Thermocouple क्या है? The thermocouple is the instrument is employed to record the small amount of current with high frequency. The thermocouple principle mainly depend on the three effects, namely Seebeck, Peltier, and Thomson. Next question. The internal energy of any system is calculated by only टेम्परेचर होना चाहिए, absolute temperature only. According to the Joule's law, the change of the internal energy of a perfect gas is directly proportional to the change of the temperature. du क्या है mcv delta t. Next question. On the TS diagram, the change of the state during the transformation of water from 20 degree to 20 degree steam at atmospheric pressure due to addition of heat can be represented by horizontal line. Temperature is constant, hence it is called isothermal, और आइसोथर्मल को हम लोग ये दिखाते हैं हॉरिजेंटल से। Work transfer between the system and the surrounding is depend on the path followed by the system. Work is said to be done by the system if the sole effect on the thing external to the system can be reduced in the rising of the weight. Weight may not actually raised. Work is a path function. It depends on the path followed by the system. ये देखिए फिगर, ये जो पहला फिगर है W इक्वल इंटीग्रेटेड और PdV वैलिड फॉर क्लोज सिस्टम अंडरगोइंग रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस के लिए है। और ये फिगर जो है W इक्वल टू माइनस इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ VdP वैलिड फॉर ओपन सिस्टम अंडरगोइंग द रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कह रहा है ए न्यू टेम्परेचर स्केल इन डिग्री N इज टू बी डिफाइंड. The boiling and freezing point of the water on the scale are 400 Newton and 400 N and 100 N respectively. What will the reading on new scale corresponding to the 60 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड? देन इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका 280 डिग्री। बॉइलिंग पॉइंट आपका 400 दिया है, फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट आपका 100 दिया है। देन हो जाएगा 60 - 0/100 - 0 बराबर n - 100/400 देन n इक्वल टू क्या आ जाएगा 280 n। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग प्रॉपर्टी टेम्परेचर, विस्कोसिटी, स्पेसिफिक एंट्रोपी, थर्मल कंडक्टिविटी। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द सिस्टम आर इंटेंसिव। इंटेंसिव पे कौन सा हो जाएगा, तो ये हो जाएगा सब इंटेंसिव है, जैसे टेम्परेचर, विस्कोसिटी, स्पेसिफिक एंट्रोपी, थर्मल कंडक्टिविटी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ए सिस्टम इन विच द एनर्जी और मैटर फ्लो इनटू और आउट ऑफ द सिस्टम इज कॉल्ड ओपन सिस्टम। In open system, energy or matter flow into or out of the system. In adiabatic system, no heat transfer across the system. Isolated system में neither heat or nor mass takes place. Next question. Absolute temperature scale needs only one fixed point, which is the triple point of the water. A temperature scale 0 of the which of the equivalent to the -273.15 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड and 373.15 is equivalent to the 100 is called absolute temperature scale. It needs only one fixed point, which is the triple point of the water. Next question. The state of the simple corresponding and simple compressible system is completely specified by how many independent intensive properties? ये 3 सॉरी 2 हो जाएगा। The number of properties required to fix a state or a system is given by a state postulate. The state of the simple compressible system is completely specified by two independent intensive properties. Next question. A system is in thermodynamic equilibrium if it is in chemical, mechanical, and thermal equilibrium. Thermodynamic equilibrium means system and surrounding is in thermal, mechanical, and chemical equilibrium. Next question. A gas is flowing through a horizontal pipe with mass flow rate of 0.5 kilojoule per second and gas constant 292 Newton meter per kg per Kelvin. The parameter at two different sections of the pipe 1 and 2 are at a section 1. The cross section is 40 into 10 power minus 4 meter square. Pressure is 50 into 10 power 4 Newton per meter square and temperature is 15 degree centigrade. At section 2 the cross section is 20 into 10 power 4 meter square and pressure is 40 into 10 power 4 Newton per meter square. The velocity of the gas section 1 is 21.02 meter per second. Next question. Measurement of temperature is based on zeroth law of thermodynamics. Measurement of temperature is based on zeroth law of thermodynamics. Next question. If two blocks A and B are in thermal equilibrium with each other and other C is in the contact with B, then zeroth law body C is also in thermal equilibrium with A. Zeroth law of equilibrium. According to this law, when the body is in the thermal equilibrium with body B and also separated with a body C, then body B and C will be equilibrium with each other. Next question. As per 10th General Conference on the Weight and Measure is in 1954, the reference point temperature chosen for Kelvin scale is triple point of water. A thermometer reads 95.45 degree centigrade and the static correction given in the correction curve is 0.08 degree centigrade. The true value of the temperature will be A number 95.37, T2 equal to 95.45 plus minus 0.0 degree centigrade, then T2 equal to 95.37. Next question. The unusual behavior of the water between the dash is called the anomalous expansion of water, 0 degree centigrade to 4 degree centigrade. The anomalous expansion of water is an abnormal property of the water whereby it expands instead of contracting when the temperature goes from the 4 degree to the 0 degree and it becomes less dense. Next question. Object at different initial temperature when kept in contact gradually comes into the common temperature. Object at different initial temperature when kept in contact gradually come to the common temperature. When two bodies are in thermal equilibrium with a third body, then they are also in the thermal equilibrium with each other. This statement is called zeroth law of thermodynamics. When body when body when two bodies are in the thermal equilibrium with a third body, then they are also thermal equilibrium with each other. This statement is called zeroth law of thermodynamics. Ta equal to Tb equal to Tc. Next question. The law of thermodynamics which is related to the temperature measurement and thermal equilibrium is हो जाएगा zeroth law of thermodynamics. Zeroth law of thermodynamics क्या है? When two systems are each thermal equilibrium with the third system, then the two systems are also in the thermal equilibrium with one another. This law provides the basis of temperature measurement. First law of thermodynamics क्या है? The heat and mechanical work are mutually convertible. The energy can neither be created nor destroyed. Through it can be transformed from one form to the another. Next question. The phenomenon of heat transfer into the thermodynamic system is related to second law of the thermodynamics. The phenomena of heat transfer in the thermodynamic system is related to the second law of thermodynamics. According to the second law of thermodynamics, heat transfer takes place from the body at higher temperature to the body at lower temperature. Heat transfer takes place three-way: conduction, convection, radiation. Next question. A tank carries an ideal gas at an absolute pressure of 4 bar to 27 degree centigrade. If the temperature is increased to the 60 degree centigrade, then the pressure inside the tank if 4.4 bar. A number. Next question. A frictionless piston cylinder device contains 0.015 meter cube gas initially at 0.8 megapascal. It expands quasi-statically at constant temperature to a final volume of 0.030 meter cube. The work output in kilojoule per kg during this process will be A number 8.32. Next question. In a compression process, initial temperature is 308 Kelvin. If compression ratio is 8, then the temperature at the end of the compression will be 708.4 Kelvin. Next question. In throttling device, enthalpy of fluid before and after throttling are equal. Throttling process is isenthalpic process. In throttling device, enthalpy of the fluid before and after throttling are equal. Next question. Conversion of heat into the work required some special device. Such device are called heat engine. Next question. The properties that are independent of the mass in the system is called intensive property. Intensive property, the property of material which independent of mass of system is known as intensive property. Example pressure, temperature, viscosity, density. Extensive property में क्या है? The property of material which depend on the mass of the system is known as extensive property. Example volume, kinetic energy, potential energy. Next question. Which of the following temperature measuring instrument is a function of electromotive force in the circuit? A नंबर कह रहा है थर्मोकपल. थर्मोकपल क्या है? थर्मोकपल इज अ टेम्परेचर मेजरिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट. इट वर्क्स ऑन सीबेक इफेक्ट. According to this according to this, when two dissimilar metal are connected in such a way that they form two junctions, when these two junctions are placed at different temperature, then the electromotive force मतलब potential difference is produced in the wire. By measuring the value of electromotive force to measure the temperature of the junction. Next question. In a reversible adiabatic process, the heat added in joule is A नंबर 0. रिवर्सिबल एडियाबेटिक और आइसेंट्रोपिक प्रोसेस क्या है? देखिएगा. ए प्रोसेस इन विच द वर्किंग सब्सटेंस नाइदर रिसीव नॉर गिव्स आउट हीट टू इट्स सराउंडिंग. द चेंज इन इंटरनल एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू द वर्क डन. Q इक्वल टू डी यू प्लस डब्ल्यू. डी यू इक्वल टू माइनस डब्ल्यू. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Figure shows the PV diagram as an ideal gas. The work done by the gas in the process ABCDA. इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका डी नंबर 1.5 PV. Next question and last question. On TS diagram, constant pressure line slope is expressed in T by Cp. धन्यवाद.